How to fix no audio device found in Windows 11. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, when you go to this section, as you can see, when you have a problem, when you just click on the audio section here, you cannot turn up or down the volume. So you are sure there is a problem somewhere. So to fix that, you have to go to the Windows search bar and search for troubleshoot settings and click on the troubleshoot settings, then go to the other troubleshooters options, and then you just have to simply click on the run section beside the audio section. And after clicking on that, this window will pop up. As you can see, this is the audio troubleshoot settings. You have to just fill out the problems you are facing. Do you have your consent to run automated diagnostics to try solving your audio problems? You just have to click on yes, and it will automatically show you any possible repair for that, and you can just follow the instructions there. And if you can't find any solution or this method doesn't work with you, then you can just go to the Windows search bar again and search for driver or the device manager, and then you can search for the audio section from here. As you can see, there might be an audio section for that. You can see sound, video, game and controllers. You can see all the audio, driver and everything here. You can just click on properties and scan for that, or you can just look for the graphics section where the audios are related. And here on the system devices, we can see there are many drivers here. We just have to look for the sound related driver for our solution. So the option we were looking for is this option. So as you can see it, and you just have to click on right click on it and click on, you can directly click on update driver, or you can go to the property and then go to the driver and click on update driver update or update driver, and then you just have to click on search automatically for drivers and then close the section and restart your PC or laptop, and then you can see the problem you were facing with the sound, it's already fixed. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.